Guys, let's reinvent corned beef and cabbage. We'll start with our leftover potatoes. Next, we'll throw down the corned beef. This is so juicy and tender. Those little brown, crispy edges are gonna give it such great texture. Go ahead and just get it all chopped up. Let it continue to crisp up. We'll get ready to cook our cabbage. Mine is shredded, coleslaw style. Little salt and pepper. Give that a quick stir fry. Let's flip our potatoes. Make sure those are nice and crispy. Go ahead and put that corned beef on top of that cabbage. We're gonna hit it with some apple cider vinegar, some spicy brown mustard. Give that a nice stir. And you're ready. It's time to plate. Just get in there with some of those potatoes. A little extra vinegar and mustard, and man, what a treat. Cheers, everyone.